Hello, this is Colleen with Designs of Value Art. Welcome back to my studio. And today we're going to talk about another new surface that I found at Hobby Lobby, Master's Touch. But the thing that caught my eye, by Fabriano. Now, if you know anything about Fabriano, they're out of Italy. They have been around, and it says right here on the inside of the board, inside of the cover here, they have been around since 1264. That's a huge amount of time. They're very well known for their papers and surfaces that they've created over the years. This is a mixed media black, and they're calling it a versatile heavyweight paper. Accepts wet and dry media, is acid free, which is important. The paper has been produced in a neutral environment without acids. What it does is it maintains the painting longer on this paper. Now they do call it a heavyweight, and it's 165 pounds. Now, if you do 140-pound watercolor paper, this is actually heavier than that. You can feel it when you open it up and pull it off with the pad. What I did was I pulled it off of my pad and I taped it down to one of my chipboards. I actually picked those up right on Amazon fairly inexpensively. And this has a smooth surface, which I'm excited to try because it gives me the feel of a hot press watercolor paper, and it's actually heavier than the watercolor paper that I paint on normally. I usually paint right on 140 pound. I do have some 300 pound, but normally I'm on 145. So when I saw that it was 165 pound, I was impressed, and I cannot wait to try this. I'm going to do a white flower on here, and it should be absolutely lovely, but you'll get to see me do that. I just wanted to show you this surface and give you some tips on where to find it. And this one was 40% off. It's $9.99 normally. Even at $9.99 for 15 sheets, that's cheaper than watercolor paper. So I'm going to have to go back and look. I didn't think of it, but I don't know if they carry this in white as well, or if it's just in the black mixed media. So I'll have to look. They might have it in the black or in the white as well as the black. So take a look for it too. I think just about everybody's got a Hobby Lobby somewhat close. We just had a new one put in by us. It's 8 miles from my house. I just have to learn how to get there more often so I can take a look around and see what they do have to offer. So I'll see you in the next video. Check me out at patreon.com/Colleen D. Aiken, and you can watch me from start to finish on all of my paintings. Thank you so much.